Hey traders, what's up? This is Mike with the watch list video for Monday, August 7th. Starting off with the SPY daily as I always do. Back here, I don't know, a little over a week ago, you kind of had this gap up and bearish engulfing, then it meandered for a little bit. It's starting to roll over a bit, cleanly down below the 20-day, which is the last time it was there was late May. So seeing a little bit of weakness. Again, I'm a day trader, so I don't give a lot of weight to it. I don't hold anything overnight. As a matter of fact, let me slide this over in case you're seeing one of my videos for the first time. Talks about what we do, especially since I've been battling somebody who thinks every stock I post in these videos is a call. It is a watch list. So you can pause the video and read that whole thing, but I'll get that out of the way now. So I'm going to go into the watch list, what I'm going to have on watch for Monday. But first, a couple of screenshots from Friday. Ramesh, there's a screenshot of his post in chat in case you weren't there. Excuse me, let me try that again. AAOI over 950. You had the gap up, sell off, 5-minute candles here, and then a nice push, and then came back down below 950. Second mouse idea, basically, back through 950 with the high of day above, and it ended up ripping past that. So a great call there by Ramesh. And then I even, just to show you, even if you missed that, I gave a pullback idea later. There's my screenshot, AAOI 5's buy zone. And I literally caught the bottom on my 1026 was the exact low of that pullback. So I kind of got a little lucky there. 1026 and 1113 was my sell. And it just goes to show that even if you didn't catch this, now you've got a strong stock. You can start looking in the buy zones for pullback plays, right? Love the teamwork in chat. It's been fantastic. Let's keep it up. Doing a great job of keeping the clutter down. All right, so what are we watching on Monday for possible trades? Speaking of AAOI, big rip. Certainly extended, but it should be on watch all week, in my opinion, for new trade setups. USM also extended, but it's going to be on a chart. Let me zoom in a little bit here. MF. Well, I think that 200-day is kind of smashing everything together. Let me pause this. All right, there. I went with a chart without the 200-day, and it kind of helps release it, if you will. So MF, nice breakout on Friday. It was one of those serial halters. I think because they base it on the price of the previous day's close and then whatever percentage move it is. So maybe fewer halts in it going forward, but we'll see. It's certainly worth watching. Big volume and pretty big move there on Friday. TDS, let me try that again. There we go. Big breakout on Friday. We're going to keep that one on watch all week. Again, a lot of these are extended, but worth being on a chart. DFH is a Florida home builder, Dream Finders Homes, and nice breakout on Friday. The all-time high, I'm going to go to weekly here, is up here somewhere a little over 36, it looks like. So back to the daily chart. It still has some room, but it's also extended. Certainly worth keeping an eye on. DFH. WBD. You can kind of picture a trend line here. I'm going to put some charts out later, and it kind of broke this downtrend line and broke out of this little tight range too on Friday. Maybe a continuation day on Monday. We'll see. GTN. Nice breakout. Maybe a continuation day. BIGC. Again, another breakout. Closing off of its highs, but if you put a horizontal line there at those highs, maybe it's going to make a run at these highs, and above that could be considered, another catalyst for higher prices. Certainly big volume for that stock. On Friday, KTOS, I'll pan out a little bit, but nice breakout there. And I put that horizontal line. You can kind of see the breakout or mini breakout there. Certainly has room for a possible continuation. ALEC. Looks a lot like the other charts, right? Big move. We're going to watch that one. Herbalife HLF had a big rip on Thursday. Quiet inside day on Friday, so looking for a possible third day play setup. ACHR had the big breakout on, I believe, on earnings back here. Or no, it might have been on a... I'm going to check. Yeah, okay. It was a contract with the Air Force, which got it a big rip, and now we're all the way back down, kind of retesting that breakout line. And in that area, we like between the 8 and the 20 day. So ACHR goes on bounce watch. SOFI after the big breakout, right back down to the 20 day. Maybe it's ready to bounce We'll see. Only with an A-plus intraday setup, as you guys know. And then Roku, ROKU, had this big rip, and now a few days lower, getting near that buy zone area too. So that one also goes on Bounce Watch. We'll add other gappers as we always do in the pre-market together. Looking forward to a great week. I'll see everybody in the chat room on Monday morning.